garlic, ginger, fried onions, tomato sauce, chicken breast in small cubes, oil for cooking and some water, spices, salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, kasuri methi.
Okay, so the first step is put your stove on high heat and add some cooking oil. Add the fried onions, the ginger, and garlic paste into the hot oil. Also gonna add the tomato sauce. Fry this up for 2 minutes until the garlic and ginger are cooked. Now we're gonna add some water. For the heat to simmer, cover it. Alright, so now we're gonna increase the heat and fry the masala. We want the tomato sauce to kind of dry up and make a paste. And keep mixing it so it doesn't stick and burn the pan. You can see the oil has separated from the masala. You can see the oil on the stove right there. And this is the point where you want to add your chicken. We're going to do chicken breast. We cut into bite-sized cubes. You can also use leftover chicken. We'll show you that recipe another time on how to do an easier way to make butter chicken. And now we're going to add all the spices. So we're going to add some extra oil at this point. And now we're covering it and we're going to keep it on a low heat for how long? 3 minutes. We're frying it for 4 minutes. You can see that the chicken has left all this water. Again, you can add more oil if you need to. Now after 5 minutes, this is what the chicken looks like. So now we're going to increase the heat after 5 minutes. And we're going to dry up the sauce, also boiling basmati rice on the side. So now that the oil is separated and the heat is high, okay, 1 cup of milk.
Now mix it and simmer the heat for next 2-3 minutes.
So after a few minutes, now we're going to add the final touches. A little bit of heavy cream. So the butter chicken is all done. And now we're going to show you how to treat it. We're going to add the heavy cream to top it all off. The butter chicken without the butter. We're using Irish Gold butter. It tastes so good on this. Now some coriander or fenugreek. And some fresh nutmeg grinded on top. This is really extra, but it really needs to cover it for the aroma.